boils. Sorry to get excited, but this is near and dear to my heart. When I first got into homeopathy, I was a little leery. I hadn't really heard of it before, and there were some weird things about it. So I didn't want to try it on myself or my nursing baby or my 4-year-old, but I thought, my husband, he's pretty hardy. Maybe he can do it. As luck would have it, when I got my first homeopathy remedy kit, which was this 36 remedy kit, my husband actually had had a boil right here on his nose, and he'd had it for about 2 weeks. Now, my husband had acne growing up, so we knew that wasn't it. And we were just like, this must be a boil. And really, it was a shiner. And he was wearing ties to work at the time, so it really wasn't doing him any favors. So I looked up the remedy for boils, and it said Hepar Sulf. In my little kit, I had Hepar Sulf 30. And he didn't really know anything about homeopathy, so I just said, here, take this. It's supposed to help. So bless his heart, he took it, and he took it, I think it was 3 times a day. I really didn't give him a lot of guidance because, again, I was still new to it. So he took 1 tablet 3 times a day, and by the 3rd day, it was almost gone. That's when I was sold on homeopathy. So that would be my recommendation, is look at Hepar Sulf 30. Now, my family has also had success with acne, and that is Hepar Sulf 200 with Arsenicum album 200 taken together once every other day. Now, just to finish that story, after I got comfortable with homeopathy for my husband, I felt fine to give it to the rest of my family, starting with my 4-year-old, myself, and my baby. And we've been using it for about 4 years now. I took it all throughout pregnancy. I had an amazing pregnancy with my 3rd child, and she's had them. So homeopathy is safe for everybody. Follow for more homeopathy tips.